Welcome back, guys. Now I've got a bit of a funny one today. I'm going to do a little bit of an experiment. I'm going to film inside my dishwasher. Now I've repaired these for years, I've fixed them, but you never really get to see them working apart from all the videos. So I figured I would see what mine does, what it does. You know, I know what it does, but you know, I'd like to see the inside of it. It's mine. You know, I want to see it. I want to give it a go. Now, it's going to be on. It's supposed to be an eco-friendly one. It's meant to use minimal water. It's meant to be very good for cleaning them. We recently had. We never used to have a dishwasher, but we've got one since we've had the little one and so on. Because we're on full-time jobs, our own businesses, it's kind of hard to find the time to wash up. So I know what people are going to say, but when you're running your own businesses, work and everything else, you haven't got the time. I don't sit down and watch soaps every night. Instead, I'm doing work. You know, it goes into the night, and people seem to forget that. So a dishwasher makes things easy. It's that simple. So let's see how much water this uses compared to normally, and we'll show you what's in it. This is just from this afternoon. We normally do 2 washes, one after the morning and one in the afternoon. So this is just from 3 PM onwards to now, which is 8:30, 8:45ish. So yeah, we've got quite a few pots. So there we go, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little bell next to it, and I'll see you on the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Any comments below?